try to look under microscope with a meridium source and litho crystal. Could not see any luminescence. Same with X-ray sensitive material, which luminescence under UV, with aspirin, neon lamps, caffeine, lamp from radio, LEDs, silica lamp, luminescent paint, X-ray intensifier. Could not see any light from radiation, like from scintilliscope, but if this material is put near photomultiplier tube, then could see photomultiplier tube could see light pulses, but with eye could not. Americija avots uz CCD sensora. Šad tad redz uzplaiksnījumus. Ļoti maz absorbējās tajā pusadītā materiālā. Droši vien, ka viņš ir ļoti plāns.